Hello guys, what's up? How's it going? I guess so technically not day one of quarantine, but it's like day one of the quarantine vlogs. So that's just how this is gonna go, I guess. It is, what time is it? It is 1 o'clock. And I did not just wake up, but like I've only been up and moving for the past like hour or so. So I might as well have just woken up. But you know, these vlogs are going to be super real and super just intimate because I need to not go crazy while staying in my house all day. So I figured why not take you guys along with me and kind of do this and also create some content. So let's get ready for the day. And I don't know what I'm doing today in the house. I think we're going to paint or something. But I figured this is a good way to get me up and moving and not just doing the same thing over and over again. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna go get ready. I love the natural light in my room. The only problem is it's only in this one window. So if I want good lighting, I have to stand right here. Otherwise, every other part of my room is completely dark and not fun. So that's why I have my studio light out. Because when I was filming here, I needed it to supplement. So there you go. Cassie just had a meeting.
It went so well.
That's good.
Yeah,
really?
I feel better.
Yay.
Life is good, I think.
We love that. We love that.
Okay, keep on
So now I'm probably gonna make some food. Oh, nothing like major. Probably just gonna make some ramen actually, because I don't feel like making dinner right now or like making food. Also, I haven't eaten anything today yet, so.
Oh, my back.
Big crack.
Feels good.
So now let's do some aesthetic shots of cleaning the kitchen a little bit and making some food. Yeah, I'm doing quarantine vlogs. I decided I'm just gonna vlog. So for now, I'm going to make some Ichiban, I think, because I'm not like super hungry yet, and I also don't feel like making anything. So this is gonna be a series of me eating different snacks. So that's fun. So Ichiban has been secured. Cassie is making.
Just say mac and cheese.
She's trying to revive some mac and cheese that she made a couple days ago, and we think it's gonna be good now. We'll tell you the verdict later. So we just got done watching 5 episodes of The Bold Type, which is our favorite TV show to watch together, actually.
So good.
And we didn't do anything. I had a bowl of cereal. Cassie had a really healthy bowl.
I did.
It looks really good. So now I'm forcing us to get up and go outside and drive around my car because we can't actually go outside, but we can at least like
see things.
TV. So we're gonna go drive to Davis Island and just watch the sunset from inside of the safety of my car and still be isolated, but not in our the 4 walls of our house. So it'll be good. Let's do this.